Namaskar friends, welcome back to KanoonPlus. Today, we're kicking off a very important and potentially perilous new series. We're doing a full reality check on AI in legal practice and its rapidly expanding role in the legal profession. Get ready to ask, are we playing with something that could backfire badly due to unforeseen errors? By the end of this episode, you'll be asking yourself one simple but serious question. Are AI-powered lawyers and legal AI tools really the future of law? Or are we playing with something that could backfire badly? Let's dive right in. The AI promise in law. Take a moment to think, how much time do we, as lawyers, actually spend on real courtroom arguments? Very little. A huge part of legal practice is actually behind the scenes. Drafting contracts, reviewing agreements, reading judgments, preparing notes, endless AI legal research, cross-checking citations. This is exactly where AI for lawyers is promising a revolution. Now imagine if a machine could do most of this in minutes. This is not science fiction. This is exactly what companies like Anthropic are now building through cutting-edge legal technology. They've developed highly advanced AI models like Anthropic Claude 3.7 Sonnet and soon the powerful Claude 4, both specifically designed to handle complex legal language, perform AI contract review, and assist with AI legal research. One of the early adopters? Robin AI. They integrated Claude into their contract copilot system. And the result? A stunning 87.5% improvement in extracting contract data since March 2024. Work that once took 5 to 6 hours can now be done in under 30 minutes. This is what people are calling lawyer productivity AI. Now you may be wondering, is this only happening abroad? No, this legal tech revolution is spreading globally. In South Korea, companies like Companies SuperLawyer are using Anthropic-powered AI tools to handle massive amounts of legal drafting and research. Even in India, major corporate law firms dealing with international mergers, complex cross-border transactions, and compliance are already experimenting with AI-powered research platforms and AI tools for lawyers in India. Compliance filings, regulatory databases, corporate due diligence, AI in legal practice is already entering these areas. Honestly, friends, it sounds very exciting. Less paperwork, faster research, potentially fewer human errors, and huge cost savings. Even small law firms could now compete with bigger firms by using these powerful AI tools for lawyers, something that earlier seemed impossible. The future of law suddenly feels very close. Let me ask you, if you could save 50% of your research time using legal AI, would you trust it? Yes? No? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I genuinely want to hear from my fellow lawyers and law students. The hallucination hazard. Now friends, before we get too excited, pause here, because behind this shiny promise lies a very serious danger. This is where AI risks in law become real, and where even your entire legal practice could collapse if you're not extremely careful. Yes, legal AI can draft contracts, summarize judgments, and even assist with legal arguments. But here's the truth nobody tells you. AI doesn't understand law. AI doesn't understand facts. AI only understands patterns. It generates text based purely on probability, what words are likely to come next. It doesn't know whether what it's producing is actually true or legally valid. And this is where the true danger of AI in legal practice begins. Many lawyers believe if AI gave me the answer, it must be correct. But trusting legal AI blindly can lead to disaster. And this disaster has a name: AI hallucination. In simple terms, the AI makes up legal cases, statutes, citations, things that sound real but simply never existed. Imagine you're drafting a high court brief. You ask AI to suggest similar judgments. It confidently gives you multiple case laws, full citations, party names, dates, everything looks perfect. You file your brief. In court, the judge or opposing counsel checks, and boom, none of the cases exist. Your entire argument collapses. You lose credibility. You may face professional misconduct charges. This is the terrifying side of AI ethics in law. And don't assume this is rare. According to a Stanford University study, AI models hallucinate in 58% to 82% of legal questions. That means, more than half the time, your legal AI could confidently give you wrong legal information. This is why understanding these risks is absolutely vital for every legal professional. Now let me ask you again, if legal AI gives you a full list of case citations, will you manually verify each one before filing? Yes or no? Be honest. Drop your answer in the comments below. Because here's the harsh reality. The better these AI models like Anthropic Claude sound, the more dangerous they become. Their writing is so polished, even experienced lawyers can get fooled. And this risk is not limited to America or Europe. In India, the legal system is already exploring AI for legal research, drafting, and compliance. These same dangers of AI hallucination could soon land in our Indian courtrooms too. Which brings us to the true horror story. Lawyers have already faced fines, sanctions, and even suspension for submitting AI-generated hallucinations. In the next episode, I'll walk you through these actual court cases, where legal careers were destroyed and lawyers faced sanctions, all because they trusted legal AI blindly. Friends, this is not just theory anymore. This is happening. And if you're a practicing lawyer, law student, or legal professional, you must understand these AI risks in law before it's too late. If you're finding this AI in Law series crucial for your practice, hit that like button, share your views in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to KanoonPlus for more vital legal insights. We're just getting started, and in the next episode, what I share about AI legal pitfalls will truly shock you.